So what we will talk now is the efficiency. We said that the whole point of simple machine is to put as less effort as possible to do a good job, to do a big job work. So efficiency is a measure how well and quickly we complete a job. Okay, this is the way that we measure the efficiency. What do we do to realize that? Is that we see the work that machine does with the energy that is used to do this work. So we compare the work that machine does and compare it with the work done. When we are saying compare the work is that machine does, is what do we do on this part? We see what is the input energy of the machine, and when we are saying compare it with the work done, is the output energy. Energy and work are interchangeable with each other. If you are saying energy, then you mean work. If you are saying work, then you mean energy. They are interchangeable with each other. Keep in mind some things in regards to the efficiency. So the input energy, the energy that is the machine is putting in, is always greater than the work done on the object. The work done on the object. Okay, so in other words, the efficiency is practically never 100%, but it is always less or equal to 100%. It's always less or equal to 100%. Okay? Now, a machine that has a 100% efficiency, it's never a case. It exists only in theory, not in practice. Like practically, it doesn't exist. Okay. So the efficiency is measured into percentage. When we are saying, let's suppose the efficiency of an equipment is 80%, that means that only 80% of the output energy is used into the work that the object is doing. So what does it mean? Let's do an example, like numbers. So let's suppose that the energy that machine is producing, and is 100 joules. Okay, if the efficiency of this machine, this may be a simple machine or not, is 80%, that means that the work done on the object is only 80 joules. Okay, so from 100 that machine is producing, it is 80, because what you are doing is you are multiplying 100 by 0.8, which is the decimal of 80%, and then you have uh, 80 joules as the work done on the object. Now you may say that, well, Miss, you just talked about the conservation law of energy and conservation law of masses. Yes, I did, but keep in mind that what we have, uh, it's some energy is lost into the environment in the form of sound, in the form of heat, uh, or light, or things like that. So a lot of energy is lost in the nature, and the whole point of engineering is to have a machine, to produce a machine that has higher efficiency. And if it is 60, 70, 80%, then it's a good machine. In practice, you barely see a machine that is it's close to 100%. It's not possible. So when you are talking about the efficiency, you keep in mind that the work, then the energy that the machine is producing is going to do some work. Okay, so now you compare the work that the machine is producing with the work that is done on the object, or the energy that machine is producing with the work that is done into the object. And then as a result of this, you find the efficiency. The efficiency is never greater than 100%. In an ideal situation is 100, but never greater than 100%. And the uh, uh, work done on the object is always less than the energy that the machine is producing.